Are you stuck choosing between JetBrains and VS Code? You are not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular coding tools to help you decide which one fits your needs best. Both JetBrains and VS Code are powerful IDEs that help developers write code more efficiently. They support multiple programming languages and offer various features to make coding easier. Let's start with JetBrains. JetBrains is known for its robust IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA and PyCharm. It provides advanced features like smart code completion, built-in debugging, and easy integration with version control systems. It's great for larger projects and offers a lot of tools for specific languages. Now, let's talk about VS Code. Visual Studio Code is a lightweight, open source editor. It's highly customizable, allowing you to add extensions for different languages and tools. VS Code has a user friendly interface and is perfect for quick edits or smaller projects. It also has great support for Git and terminal access. While both tools help you code, they differ in several ways. JetBrains is more feature rich and designed for complex projects, while VS Code is simpler and faster for quick tasks. If you need a full fledged IDE, JetBrains is the way to go. If you prefer a lightweight editor, choose VS Code. When it comes to features, JetBrains offers built-in tools like code analysis and refactoring. VS Code relies on extensions for many features, but it has a vast marketplace for them. Both tools are great, but your choice depends on your workflow. In terms of pricing, JetBrains usually requires a subscription while VS Code is free. This makes VS Code a more budget friendly option for many developers. So, who should choose what? If you work on large projects or need advanced features, go with JetBrains. If you want something quick and flexible, VS Code is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.